Hey everybody, welcome to the next Scratch lesson where today I'll be showing you how to add a timer. Okay, so here are the steps for adding a timer to our game so that we can actually see and set a time for our game. Right now, currently, just so you know, when I hit my green flag, I am able to move around and collect as many muffins as I can, try to avoid that green muffin so that I don't lose points. Okay, so that's what we're doing right now. That's what we've already done. Today I'm going to show you how to make a timer. So we're going to click on variables and then make a variable, and we're going to type in timer and hit OK. Okay, so there we go. We have our timer right here. I'm going to check the box off to make sure it shows up right here. Now we need to code and set the timer. So first we're going to start with a green flag. Okay, and again, we're doing this on the mouse. As you can see now, whatever your main sprite is, you'll do it on your main sprite. And I have my muffins here separate. The timer does not go on the muffins. It goes on the mouse or whatever your main sprite is. All right, next we're going to go to variables. And now that you've added the word timer here, it's now going to appear in the drop-down menu. So we're going to go down and get timer, and we're going to bring out the set timer, and we'll make it 30 seconds for now. So when the green flag is clicked, the timer is going to hit 30. Okay, so there it goes. It hit 30, but it's not going to count down yet. Okay, so here are the buttons we're going to need for this. We're going to go to Control. We're going to need something called a repeat until. Okay, and then we are going to need a few other controls. We're going to need wait 1 second. Okay, and then we're going to go back to variable. And we're going to need this change my variable, and again, change timer. So we're going to bring this one out. All right, and that's what's going to go inside here. So we're going to put change timer by 1, wait 1 second. That'll help us get the timer to go down. But if we don't want it to count up, we have to put -1. Now, why did we put this repeat box here, and why do we have this triangle thing or this diamond thing? Well, we're going to go to operators and we're going to look for blank space equals 50. Okay, and we're going to put that right in. Except instead of 50, we're going to have 0. Now that blank space, if you go back to variables, you can see that you have 2 buttons that look like they would fit in. Let's grab that timer and put it in. So let's just go over what the code says so far. When the green flag is clicked, the timer will be set to 30. Then we will repeat the following code until the timer hits 0. It'll wait 1 second, and every time it waits 1 second, it will change the timer by -1, by -1. So let's check it out. Okay, it's going down. Okay, we did that part. So again, green flag, timer gets set to 30. So every time I hit that green flag, it's going to go back to 30. Then it's going to repeat this code. Okay, whatever's in the repeat box, it's going to go into this code. The wait 1 second will allow it to wait a second before it changes the timer by -1. So this is what kind of tells it to count by 1 second. It waits a second, then it goes down by 1. It waits another second, goes down by 1, and that's all going to stop when the timer hits 0. All right, but let's put something in the bottom here so that when it does, when the timer does stop, we hear maybe like a bell sound, a bell toll. Also, let's do something cool under looks. Let's have him say game over. Okay, so I'm going to bring that block over. I'm going to write in game over, and I'll have him do that for 1 second. And then this is important. And those muffins will keep on moving even though the timer stops. So if you go to control, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see something called stop all. That stop all button will stop everything from moving. Okay, so let's give this a try. Collecting my muffins. Oh, I missed it. Got to avoid that green one. Oh, I hyperspaced right into it. Okay, let's see. All right. That green muffin gives me -5. It's really killing me right now. Oh, I got it again. Okay, did you see that? He said game over. We heard the bell toll, and then everything froze. And my score was 12. Okay? So in the next lesson, I will be showing you how to change levels. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys soon.